Xiaomi unveiled the Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro smartphones on October 20th at an event in China. Today we have our first look at the Xiaomi 15 Pro and Xiaomi 15 courtesy of some leak renders showing the device in 3 colors: black, white, and pink. The phone has a rear design that's quite reminiscent of its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14, which launched last year. The main difference is the LED flash array now being moved outside of the camera island. The Xiaomi 15 Pro will have a thickness of 8.5 mm and weigh around 220 grams. Xiaomi 15 model is expected to feature a 6.36-inch display with a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is rumored to achieve a peak brightness of 1400 nits. The phone is powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The device will come with 5 major Android updates promised. The device is anticipated to sport a triple rear camera system, including a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50H sensor, alongside an ultra-wide camera and a 3x telephoto lens, both equipped with Samsung JN1 sensors. A 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The Xiaomi 15 is likely to be powered by a battery ranging between 4,800 mAh and 4,900 mAh, supporting fast charging capabilities of 100W for wired and 50W for wireless. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.